Lovely, nagkaroon ka na ba ng time na gumamit ka ng product that did not work for you and what happened? And usually ba, pag gumagamit ka ng product, first, do you consult a dermatologist? At saka second, do you give it time? Kasi meron bang gano'n na you give a product time kasi baka naman sa unang gamit hindi na effective or may adverse effect as eventually.
Yeah, actually it's very confusing. May ganun eh. Once especially you go to like, alam mo, makeup stores where there's a lot of products and they give you testers to buy. And then, may times talaga na may mga bagay talaga na hindi hiyang para sa'yo. Although, meron din silang sinasabi na purging ba yun? Yung purging, suddenly it comes out. But sometimes it's scary, di ba? Kasi nga, I'm always on screen, I'm always nasa television. Lagi ako nasa harap ng camera. Wala akong time mag-purge. Alam mo yung ganun? So, sometimes you don't know kung nag-react lang siya badly. So, of course, it's happened.
So you stop immediately? Pag
yeah, sometimes I stop immediately kasi nga, I can't keep it that long eh. Na parang, oh my God, nag-breakout ako. Parang may ginamit ako na bagay, nag-breakout ako. Or may ginamit akong shampoo. Minsan nga ganun eh. Ang daming mga factors na, or sometimes you eat something na hindi pala hiyang sa'yo. So, kailangan mo siya minsan i-test kung ano yung nag-work at hindi. Or minsan may pagkain ka na kinain mo buong week na yun pala has so much iodine na hindi pala pwedeng masyadong madami. So, there's so many aspects na it's not sometimes the product din na pala. So, may mga ganun bagay. But then, yun, I got lucky din talaga na hindi ako nag-react dito. So, sunerte ako doon. Kaya kahit yan, even yung, actually yung nag-shoot po tayo, binigyan niya sila ng Sakura set. They were texting me na gustong-gusto nila yung Sakura serum. So yun, hindi ako nag-purge or nag-react badly.
Second question, since you've been working abroad more frequently than before, have you ever received lately either a favorable or unfavorable comment about your color?
No. Not
even favorable comment?
A favorable? I mean, that's what's nice siguro. I've been lucky that, you know, they're very accepting and very like open. And I think sa time natin ngayon, you know, it's like, I guess it's different. But hindi ako nagkaroon ng bad comments. Actually, meron nasa set ako noon and they were like, wow, ayoko na nahiya ako kasi masyadong compliment, baka masyado kong binubugat yung bangko. But they were like, her skin is, they're trying to make me look older because this skin daw is too nice. Sabi ko, wow, thank you. So parang sabi ko, paano na yan? Just kidding. I guess it's the Asian in this, just kidding. No, but then, nagkaroon sila ng comment na ganun to try to adjust with my clothes to make me look, ganun. So, thank you SCD for that. Kasi daw yung skin ko. Thanks, Miss Gracie.
I asked kasi there was a time yung mga Filipino actors trying to make it abroad, they'd get comments na your color would limit the roles you get or your cheeky eyes would limit the roles you get, but now hindi na ganun.
Here's the thing though, there's always going to be a role out there for you. And sometimes kasi it doesn't necessarily mean because of your ethnicity. Of course, sometimes kasi when you cast for roles, kasi since now I'm speaking as a producer, when you cast for roles, there's specific ethnicities sometimes that would fit the narrative of the role, of the story. And also, may fixed idea na yung director kung ano yung itsura na gusto nila for the character. So, it doesn't necessarily mean because of like your ethnicity wouldn't fit, but then, kanya-kanya naman. But siguro I'm speaking for myself in the way we cast our roles for this movie that we're producing. But I'm sure it doesn't necessarily mean that they mean ill because of, you know, your skin color or how you look. And it's just sometimes you don't fit the part, and if you do, then that's amazing. Yeah.
Thank you. Last question ko kay Miss Gracie. I remember last time when we spoke, you mentioned about upcoming products from SCD. Ano nga po ba yun? And mga kailan siya lalabas?
Meron yung bago yun. Marami kang bago lumabas. For like coffee, detox coffee. Yan. Meron, it's available outside. Yan. Ayun. This one, very creamy and very healthy, and also can give you yung everyday. Meron kaming pamimigay for everyone. Maganda to eh. It can also glow up. Nakakapayat siya. Nakaka-glow. Tapos meron siya mga ingredients na nakaka-healthy. Parang ginawa ko na siya 20-in-1. Kung pwede nga all-in-1. Yan. And marami pa kami upcoming product. Ano to eh, first, nung ni-launch noong July, last year, nung birthday ko, kalalabas lang nga ngayong March. Kasi hindi ko siya, pag hindi talaga ako confident, hindi ko talaga sinilalabas sa isang product. So it takes a month, almost a year. Finally, andito na siya. And madami pa kaming mga product na papalabas pa din, which is retinol. Ay, hindi ko lang siya mailabas kasi meron pa akong, I'm not confident, not yet. Once I'm confident, ilalabasan natin.
Yeah. Ang bongga detox, detox glow. Bagay yan sa akin yan.
Ay, maganda to, sir. Kasi nakakalabas ng, yeah, favorite. Magugustuhan ko. Very crazy.
So akin na to ha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Kukunin ko na. Mawala na ako. Uy, pero alam mo Miss Gracie, kanina, bago magtanong si Junel, kasi naglalakad ako doon, sabi ng isang magdodonate daw sa Rambo, sabi niya, itong katabi ko, may 3-story building na siya, kasi sa SCD, dami niyang sasakyan. Sabi ko, parang ayaw naman niya mag-donate. Hindi, mag-donate siya. Anong i-donate? Marami kasi siya mga sasakyan. Max Box, no? Pero eto siya, no? Ang bongga, oh. Diba sabi, ayan, uy, bagay sa atin yung bagong product. Oo. Papayatahin dalawa. Anong name mo, darling?
Si Madjo.
Madjo. So, saan yung building mo?
Doon po sa amin sa Bataan.
Sa Bataan, oo. Tapos ilang sasakyan ang nabili mo?
Isa lang naman, sir.
Isa. So, magkano idodonate mo? May sarili kang sa segment dito. Diamond ang niya, dodonate niya. Hindi ako naniniwala. Wala kitang diamond. Pero eto si Jonelle. Jonelle, yan. So, Alan, maya-maya ka pinari question. Oo. 30 na itong vloggers.
Hello po, congratulations. For Lobby, can you share with us any anecdote where you felt insecure before and how you overcame it?
Wow, so many times. So many times. And we always, I think never naman mawawala yung insecurities, diba, natin sa body natin. But siguro, especially, it was, siguro, nasa next level siya when I was starting sa industry. Because, yeah, I was criticized for so many things, diba? Skin color, flat-chested, like I mentioned earlier, not being a good actor when I was starting, so many things. But you have to understand that it's a learning experience as you grow older, diba? When you're a teenager, parang you know so little about life, about taking care of yourself, and about your perception about life. I think how I go about it is that siguro for me, what's most important is that you live your life on a day-to-day basis with positive thoughts, and you want good things to happen to yourself and to other people as well. Doesn't mean because you're insecure, you're gonna drag people down. No, you lift yourself up by lifting other people up as well. So I think yun yung pinaka number one for me is that you know, just live a happy life, everything will follow. You don't really have to live your life, for example, you've been criticized, you know, you take it in and, you know, maybe understand where it's coming from and you learn from it and then you grow. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean they want to say bad things about you. You know, it's just, maybe it's your way of going to the next step and learning. Right? So I think you should just take it that way. Not everyone has that bad bone naman sa body, for some people do, but not everyone has a bad bone sa body and would want to bring you down. It's, you know, you probably take it in as a constructive criticism, right? And then you learn from it.
And Leslie, coming off from what you said, can you confidently say now that you are in a good place?
Oh yes, yes, I'm in a very good place because, of course, we would always have our moments na we don't feel confident, we feel tired, alam mo yung little things like that, but I'm very happy where I am now. And that's, I think, the most important thing. I remember when I was starting, you know, not everyone would trust you or, you know, would believe in you. And I would say na never ako nagkaroon ng moment na parang, oh, I'm gonna prove these people wrong. Kasi parang, for me, that's a wrong mindset. Parang, I think you do things for yourself. And the moment that you let go of all these negative energy, negative thoughts, negative people, parang good things will come. Kasi parang, you live for yourself and you live to be happy. Yeah.
Thank you, Lavi. Thank you, Janelle. Yeah, eto si